Good morning, what's up guys? Me Butch from Imperial Auto. Welcome to Imperial TV. There's something that goes right here. Right? There's the grill, go right here. When I'm gonna go when I come back, I'm gonna look for it for you. I think I might have it somewhere. So we're gonna do the exhaust on this car. Whenever finish, don't take the car because I need to do a test. And then when we finish, we move this car. We put the blue one on there. The blue one, let me show you the strut tower on this one. So on this one right here, it's got some suspension damage. I think it's the shock. The strut is blowing, and look how the shock broke up from the freaking the frame. And then let me show you right here. Look at the strut tower. Yeah, it got blown. Look right here. See how it's broken right there? So what happened is like the tire, it got bent right there and it lifted up and it punctured a hole in the strut tower. So I need this car on the lift so I can assess it and go from there. And then we need to take out the front bumper, take out the fender liner, take out the fender liner, both wheels, so I can see what kind of damage we're looking at. Don't take out the computer, don't disconnect, don't disassemble anything yet, because there is a special way to do this. Cool? Yes. Yes sir, yes sir. And we have to be careful so that we don't shut the hood or anything like that. But yeah, it's gonna be a big job for us. That one just came in yesterday. We have a custom-made IDS exhaust for a Urus, a Lamborghini Urus. Of course, the purple one right here. So I called Michael Adrian. I was like, "Hey, dude, I need an exhaust. I need it done less than a week." He said, "Dude, I can do that." It did take him about more than a week. It took him about 2 weeks, but you know what? I'm happy with the results because he literally bought about, I'd say, 20 feet of titanium. And all you see right here is just like titanium. Look how many welds. He literally told me that he welded about 300, well not him, like his fabricator welded about 300 feet of just welds, fabrication. So complete custom exhaust from the cat's back. So a lot of Urus guys, what they do is like they want to tune their vehicles. They take out the cats just to get more power. On this one right here, she wants to keep everything factory, everything original. She wants to keep the cats, but get that sound, get that noise. So we did not touch the cats. We kept them where they're at. We just went from this section all the way to the back. Good morning, Ruslan. How are you? Good. Ruslan is my Russian mafia. Everybody loves Ruslan. Ruslan, we love you, man. And grab your ass a banana too. They work. Where are we going right now? Let's go.
Bye everyone, have a good day.
So I didn't want to say it in front of everybody here inside the office, but we're going to go pick up the boat from Clear Lake, and we're gonna test drive it in the water. You know, so it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited. I am excited. This fucking camera is all over the place. Here's my banana monkey. I love you.
Thank you.
Give me a kiss.
Love you.
Oh, I love her. So we're here at the new shop. It looks like a mess, right? Okay, let me go get the trailer hitch and I'll be right back.
Okay.
As you see right here, so we had to take off all the asphalt from this whole parking lot. Level the whole area, put some good storm drain, and then concrete this whole area and level it so that way low profile vehicles, like low to the ground vehicles, can actually like pull in without, you know, hitting or bumping into floors. So let's look for a trailer hitch. Trailer hitch. I would take this Raptor with me and pull the boat with, but it's got some stuff in it for this shop. We have time to unload it, so I guess we'll do that later. Woohoo! What's up, baby? Look at my baby right there. Look at my other one too, and the other one. Carlos's baby's right here. Alrighty. Alright, so we're here at Texas Marine in Clear Lake, picking up, not picking up the boat. We're actually gonna go ahead and take the boat, go to the lake. I want to go to freshwater lake instead of salty water. So here it goes. Boom, boom, boom. Let's follow that boat. You guys ready?
Alright, so we got 3.
Guys, this is Mike from Texas
going?
Marine. I have a YouTube channel, so
Good.
putting you up.
Perfect. So
Mike is the guy who hooked me up with this boat. At first we ordered the 255 XD, but unfortunately we couldn't get it. But it's okay, because we waited so long till we got this beauty, so it's pretty badass.
okay, so we got three hooks.
Cool beans.
Okay, so you're
Yeah,
I'm still in neutral. So it's a fancy trailer. I mean, that's the easiest
it's a pretty cool.
27-foot boat I've ever owned.
Yeah, I felt that. That's so cool.
They hate my fingers on the depth. I set it to 1.5 feet. It comes from the factory set at 4 feet. In our lake here, it would be going off all the time.
Gotcha.
So, but your home screen is going to be your tachometers. It's going to have your fuel. It's going to have your depth. So this is and the speed. Once we get moving, everything is on the screen that most people use. This is going to be your GPS. You can expand it so that it's a larger screen. It is touch screen, so you can zoom out if you want to see where we're going to be running or anything like that. This is going to be your trip information, how much fuel's been burned, how far you've gone on the trip, the fuel flow gallons per hour and everything. This is going to be if you're setting it up for surfing or anything. And right now it's set on manual acceleration and a top speed of 8 miles an hour.
What's up, guys? I'm here with Sarah.
Hi, how are y'all?
Sarah is the finance officer over here at Texas Marine.
Yep.
Super cool lady. She got me a hell of a deal on this boat. About to go ahead and sign. How easy is buying a boat?
Oh my god, it's so easy.
And the interest rate is like super, like 20 years finance. Like can't beat that.
Keep those payments low.
It's like pennies on a dollar. It's not bad. Well, anything. If you guys ever need anything, you guys can contact Mike and of course Sarah over here at Texas Marine anytime. Sarah, thank you so much. Give me the paperwork. Let me go ahead and sign everything.
Do it.
Cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff. Where do I sign?
Sign on these 2 lines right here. It's just your credit out.
What is this? Cool.
Perfect.
All right, I got a boat. Here's the keys. Hey, what's up? Oh my god. All right. So cool. Now what we're gonna do now is turn on the purple car and see how badass the exhaust is after install and after all that schnitzer shit that we've had to do with this exhaust. Pretty cool. I think that's the first yours to get a custom muffler here in Texas, to be honest. So it's not bad. From scratch. Beautiful. Beautiful. You guys couldn't get this a little bit more back, right? No, that's as far as it can go.
If you move it, this will be too close, and then this wouldn't look good to you.
Gotcha. And are these like stereo and tight? Everything is good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everything's tight?
I think so. Yeah, of course.
Good. Do me a favor. Right here. Let's do a drop of the pieces that I told you about. Just in case of vibration doesn't fall off.
So good.
Just a drop. Oh, it's beautiful. Can't wait to turn it on. Let me ring my phone so I can record it too. Fucking raw. Fucking cool. Ready, set, go.